Welcome back to our channel, clean freaks and pet lovers alike. Are you tired of battling dust bunnies and pet hair? Well, fret no more because today we've got the scoop on the top 5 best vacuum cleaners of 2024. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to grab your favorite vacuum cleaners. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Eureka 3670M Canister Cleaner, the ultimate budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on performance. Eureka 3670M Canister Cleaner, a lightweight powerhouse designed to tackle dirt and debris on both carpets and hard floors with ease. Crafted with convenience in mind, this compact vacuum comes complete with 5 dust bags, ensuring you're always ready for a thorough clean. Weighing just 8.6 pounds, this vacuum is effortlessly portable, allowing you to move from room to room without breaking a sweat. Powered by 1200 watts and equipped with a 12-amp motor, it delivers continuous, powerful suction for deep and thorough cleanings, leaving your floors looking immaculate. With a dust bag capacity of up to 2.5 liters, you can clean more and empty less, while the mess-free dust bag replacement makes maintenance a breeze. Say goodbye to pesky pet hair and dust bunnies as this vacuum effortlessly collects dirt and debris, leaving your home fresh and clean. But the Eureka 3670M isn't just limited to carpets, it's designed to clean every corner of your home. With 2 extension wands and 2 specialty attachments included, you can easily dust furniture, reach high ceilings, and get into crevices and corners that traditional upright vacuums simply can't reach. Whether you're cleaning carpets, hardwoods, upholstery, or even your car, the Eureka 3670M Canister Cleaner is up to the task. Experience the convenience and power of whole home cleaning with this versatile and efficient vacuum. Next up, at number 4, we have the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Rewind, the ultimate solution for pet owners struggling to keep their homes fur-free. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Rewind Vacuum, an innovative cleaning solution designed to tackle pet hair and allergens with ease. Crafted with convenience and efficiency in mind, this vacuum is a game-changer for pet owners everywhere. Equipped with powerful pet hair pickup capabilities, this vacuum effortlessly removes stubborn pet hair from all types of floors, leaving them clean and fresh. With its agile design and specialized pet tools, including the LED lighted crevice tool, pet turbo eraser tool, and 2-in-1 pet dusting brush, you can easily target pet hair and debris in hard-to-reach places. Say goodbye to tangled brush rolls with the tangle-free brush roll feature, actively preventing annoying hair wrap as you clean. And with the automatic cord rewind function, the 27-foot cord wraps up with the push of a button, making storage a breeze. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Rewind Vacuum doesn't just clean, it also helps save pets. Bissell proudly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets, so you can feel good about your purchase. But that's not all. This vacuum also features the Smart Seal allergen system, trapping dust and allergens while you vacuum, and the optional Febreze filter eliminates odors to freshen your home as you clean. Plus, with edge-to-edge suction, you'll get powerful cleaning where it matters most, along edges and baseboards. Experience the ultimate cleaning solution for pet owners with the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Rewind Vacuum. Say hello to a cleaner, fresher home and goodbye to pesky pet hair and allergens. Moving on to number 3, we have the Tineco Floor 1S3 Cordless, the epitome of convenience with its cordless design and powerful cleaning capabilities. Tineco Floor 1S3 Cordless Hardwood Floors Cleaner, a revolutionary cleaning solution designed to simplify your cleaning routine and deliver exceptional results on sealed hard floors. Equipped with iLoop Smart Sensor technology, the Floor 1S3 detects wet and dry messes on hard floors, automatically adjusting suction power and water flow for a thorough and streak-free clean. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and hello to sparkling floors that dry quickly. With its self-propelled design, the Floor 1S3 effortlessly vacuums and washes your floors in one seamless step, saving you time and effort. Plus, its lightweight and cordless design make it easy to maneuver around your home, extending runtime up to 35 minutes for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. But that's not all. The Floor 1S3 features a 5-in-1 self-cleaning system that keeps your hands clean, your machine fresh, and your home odor-free. And with an all-in-one LED display, built-in app connectivity, and helpful voice assistant, monitoring cleaning performance has never been easier. Please note that for optimal performance and long-term use, the machine must use Tineco solution. The use of non-Tineco solution may cause corrosion and damage to the machine. Experience the ultimate hard floor cleaning experience with the Tineco Floor 1S3 Cordless Hardwood Floors Cleaner. Coming in at number 2, we have the Samsung Jet 90 Pro, the perfect runner-up with its sleek design and advanced filtration system. Samsung Jet 90 Cordless Stick Vacuum, the ultimate cleaning companion designed to make vacuuming your home a breeze. With its powerful suction, long-lasting battery, and lightweight design, the Jet 90 is engineered to deliver unparalleled performance and convenience. Featuring a dual charging system and an impressive 60-minute battery life, you can enjoy uninterrupted cleaning sessions without the hassle of frequent recharges. Plus, with the ability to charge 2 batteries at once using the dual charging station, you'll always have backup power ready to go. With 200 air-watts of intense suction power, the Jet 90 effortlessly cleans hardwood floors, tiles, and carpets, leaving your home spotless with every pass. And thanks to its lightweight design, weighing in at just 6.2 pounds, you can easily maneuver around your home and tackle hard-to-reach areas without strain. Equipped with a turbo-action brush that rotates more than 3,700 times a minute and offers 180-degree swivel flexibility, the Jet 90 effectively removes dust, hair, and debris from multiple surfaces with ease. Plus, with the Jet Cyclone technology, debris is efficiently pushed into the dustbin, keeping the filter clean for optimal performance. Complete with a range of accessories including a mini motorized tool, long-reach crevice tool, combination tool, and soft brush, the Samsung Jet 90 Cordless Stick Vacuum is ready to handle any cleaning task with precision and efficiency. Say goodbye to cumbersome cords and hello to hassle-free cleaning with the Samsung Jet 90. And finally, claiming the top spot at number 1, we have the Dyson V15 Detect, the undisputed champion of vacuum cleaners with its cutting-edge technology and unmatched performance. Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, the pinnacle of power and intelligence for whole-home deep cleaning. Engineered to reveal invisible dust and equipped with cutting-edge features, this vacuum sets a new standard for cleanliness in your home. With 100% more power and an impressive 60 minutes of runtime, the Dyson V15 Detect ensures you can tackle even the toughest cleaning tasks with ease and efficiency. Its power trigger maximizes energy efficiency by only using power where you need it, saving you time and battery life. Intelligent and adaptive, this vacuum intelligently adapts power based on detected debris, ensuring optimal performance on any surface. The LCD screen displays total picked-up particles as you clean, along with power mode, maintenance alerts, and remaining runtime to the second, providing real-time feedback for a thorough clean. Equipped with a fluffy optic cleaner head for revealing hidden dust on hard floors and a digital motor bar cleaner head for deep cleaning all floor types and detangling long hair and pet hair, the Dyson V15 Detect leaves your floors spotless with every pass. But the Dyson V15 Detect isn't just limited to floors, it converts to a handheld vacuum for cleaning cars, stairs, upholstery, and more. Plus, with the hair screw tool that quickly and effectively sucks up long hair and pet hair, you can say goodbye to tangled messes for good. Complete with 5 Dyson-engineered accessories for cleaning up high, down low, and everywhere in between, advanced whole machine filtration that traps 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. And a durable yet lightweight construction, the Dyson V15 Detect is designed to deliver exceptional performance and longevity. Experience the ultimate in cleaning technology with the Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, backed by a 2-year warranty and lifetime Dyson support for added peace of mind. There you have it, the top 5 best vacuum cleaners of 2024. Whether you're on a budget, battling pet hair, or craving convenience, there's a vacuum on this list to suit your needs. So why wait? Say goodbye to dust and dirt and hello to a cleaner, happier home today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more cleaning tips and reviews. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it fresh.